Hello guys, Assalam-o-alaikum. I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Norway. Now we start video. Norway, officially the Kingdom of Norway, is a Nordic country in the northern Europe. The mainland territory of which comprises the western and northernmost portion of the Scandinavian Peninsula, the remote Arctic island of Jan Mayen and the archipelago of Svalbard also form part of Norway. Bouvet Island, located in the Subantarctic, is a dependency of Norway. It also lays claims to the Arctic territories of Peter Islands and Queen Maud Land. The capital and largest city in Norway is Oslo. Norway has a total area of 385,207 square kilometers and had a population of 5,425,270 in January 2022. The country shares a long eastern border with Sweden at a length of 1,619 km, 1,006 miles. It is bordered by Finland and Russia to the northeast and the Skagerrak Strait to the south, on the other side of which are Denmark and United Kingdom. Norway has an extensive coastline facing the North Atlantic Ocean and the Barents Sea. The maritime influence dominates Norway's climate with mild lowland temperatures on the sea coast. The interior, while colder, is also significantly milder than areas elsewhere in the world on such northerly latitudes. Even during polar night in the north, temperatures above freezing are commonplace on the coastline. The maritime influence brings high rainfall and snowfalls to some area of the country. Norway's core territory comprises the western and northernmost portion of the Scandinavian Peninsula. The remote island of Jan Mayen and archipelago of Svalbard are also part of the Kingdom of Norway. The Antarctic, Peter Islands and the Subantarctic Bouvet Island are dependent territories and thus not considered part of the kingdom. Norway also lays claim to a section of Antarctic known as Queen Maud Land. From the Middle Ages to 1814, Norway was part of the Danish kingdom. Norwegian possession in the North Atlantic, Faroe Islands, Greenland and Iceland remained Danish when Norway was passed to Sweden at the Treaty of Kiel. Norway also comprises Bohus land until 1658, Jam lands and Horgedy land until 1645, Shetland and Orkney until 1468, and the Hebrides and Isle of Man until the Treaty of Perth in 1266. Norway comprises the western and northernmost part of the Scandinavian in northern Europe. Norway lies between latitudes 57 degree and 81 degree north, and longitudes 4 degree and 32 degree east. Norway is the northernmost of the Nordic countries, and if Svalbard is included, also the easternmost. Norway includes the northernmost point on the European mainlands. The rugged coastline is broken by huge fjords and thousands of islands. The coastal baseline is 2,532 kilometers. The coastline of the mainland including fjord stretches 28,953 kilometers. When islands are included, the coastline has been estimated to 100,915 kilometers. Norway shares a 1,619 kilometers land borders with Sweden, 727 kilometers with Finland, and 196 kilometers 122 miles with Russia to the east, to the northwest, and South Norway is bordered by the Barents Sea, the Norwegian Sea, and North Sea. Skagerrak, the Scandinavian mountains, forms much of the border with Sweden at 385,207 square kilometers, including Svalbard and Jan Mayen. Much of the country is dominated by mountainous or high terrain with great variety of natural features caused by prehistoric glaciers and varied topography. The most noticeable of these are the fjord, deep grooves cut into the land flooded by the sea following the end of the ice age. Sognefjorden is the world's second deepest fjord and the world's longest at 204 kilometers. Hornindal's Vatnet is the deepest lake in all Europe. Norway has about 400,000 lakes. There are 2,239,057 registered islands. Permafrost can be found all years in the higher mountain area. Numerous glaciers are found in Norway. The land is mostly made of hard granite and gneiss rock, but slate, sandstone, limestone are also common, and the lowest elevation contain marine deposits. Because of the Gulf Stream and prevailing western lies, Norway experiences higher temperatures and more precipitation than expected at such northern latitudes, especially along the coast. The mainland experiences 4 distinct seasons, with colder winters and less precipitation inland. The northernmost part has a mostly maritime subarctic climate, while Svalbard has an Arctic tundra climate. Because of the large latitudinal range of the country and the varied topography and climate, Norway has a larger number of different habitats than almost any other European country. There are approximately 60,000 species in Norway and adjacent waters, including bacteria and viruses. The Norwegian shelf Large marine ecosystem is considered highly productive. Okay guys, now thanks for watching.